In this video, I'm going to show you how to power your Cisco router using power bank. Start by looking at the power requirements for your router, which are usually found on a label on the back or bottom of the device. Next, make sure your power bank has the right voltage and amperage specifications. You'll need a DC to USB adapter cable that works with your setup. Plug the DC end into the power port of your router. Connect the USB end to the power bank. Turn on the power bank, and you'll see the indicator lights on your router turn on, indicating that it's powered up. If the router isn't working correctly, it might be because the power bank isn't providing enough power. In this case, you should turn off the 5G network. For step-by-step instructions on how to do this, don't forget to check out my other video linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think in the comments.